Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the essentials are current and uncluttered. Update the game and Android system, then immediately close background apps to free at least 1 GB of space so the game gets memory headroom. Once done, restart the device to clear temp processes and enable any built-in performance or game mode to prioritize CPU and GPU. These steps reduce software contention and give the game the resources it needs to run smoothly right away. Next, you adjust both the game and system for consistent frame delivery. Inside the game, drop resolution, texture quality, and cap the FPS to 30 or 60 depending on stability. This reduces GPU load. Then clear the app cache to remove corrupted temp files, turn off battery saver and background sync to avoid throttling, and, if comfortable, restrict background processes in developer options to keep cores free. Finally, switch to wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. To finish, remove lingering app-level problems by uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This refreshes game files. Make sure the device stays cool, close heat-producing apps, and remove the case if needed, because thermal throttling reduces performance. If lag persists after all steps, boot into safe mode to check for third-party interference, or test the game on a different network to isolate connectivity issues. If nothing works, gather device logs and contact the game developer for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.